Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. This is my robot vacuum that I consider the best overall. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is a cutting-edge robot vacuum that's known for its reactive 3D obstacle avoidance technology, LiDAR navigation, VibraRise 2.0 mopping system, and a long-lasting battery life. Now, with reactive 3D obstacle avoidance technology, the S8 Pro Ultra uses 3D structured light and infrared image technology to help it identify unknown objects. It can actually determine the size and location of an object on the floor and bypass them in both bright and dark environments. Coupled with 3D mapping and LiDAR navigation, the S8 Pro Ultra generates detailed maps for a more accurate and thorough cleaning. Not only does the S8 Pro Ultra excel at vacuuming, but it can also mop your floors with its VibraRise 2.0 mopping system. So with this system, the S8 Pro Ultra improves its vibration module to 2 areas to provide a wider mopping zone and up to 3,000 times per minute to deliver high-speed scrubbing. And with Roborock's all-in-one docking system, S8 Pro Ultra can automatically complete the mop washing and drying process, preventing mold growth and unpleasant odors. The S8 Pro Ultra also has an incredible battery life that gives 180 minutes on a single charge. This allows you to tackle your entire home in one go. Plus, it has a pretty quick fast charging that gives you a full battery in just 4 hours. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is a powerful, high-end robot vacuum that impresses with its long battery life, all-in-one docking system, VibraRise 2.0 mopping system, 3D mapping, and reactive 3D obstacle avoidance technology. The S8 Pro Ultra is a fantastic option for those who are wanting a high-quality and top-tier robot vacuum to help keep their home even cleaner. Next